Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2011 Suzuki Burgman 400. This luxury two-passenger scooter just arrived with only 4,138 miles. Beautiful condition, metallic gray color. I haven't seen one this low mileage and this good a shape in a long time. It's got the storage compartments up front, luxurious burlwood dash, automatic transmission, belt drive, and ABS brakes. This is a great scooter. It's not going to be here long. Only $49.99. We got financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.